mansions to many mansions. The girls in Aruba doing belly dancing. Spent half of my advancing, jars from Branson to make it through my circumstances. But you know I'm wise enough never just to hide my pound. Got a house in the so I might give a 6 to my chick.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today's video is on a client and this video was requested by one of you. Sorry, I'm just uploading it today. I'm so sorry. First is to cornroll her hair. I already have a detailed video on that, on how to cornroll for beginners. We'll leave the link in the description box below. While cornrolling, I connected the ends of the cornrow to each other. After that, we just finish up by sewing the last braid with needle and thread so that it does not stick out when sewing and when I'm brushing the weave on.